Hello guys, chasing bonuses here on Dollar Link and Phoenix Link at Resorts World. Let's go!
50 cents bet. Landed a hold and spin feature. Let's go on Dollar Link. Mini. We don't mind a mini party. Ooh, I saw that triple. We're here at Resorts World. Las Vegas. Drop that. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Boom. Take it on a 50 cents. Thank you for the meat. You want coffee?
Yeah. And water. $1 or something there. Yeah, and you told me that about last week. Yeah.
$1.25 is 17K.
Two coffee and water, please. Cream and sugar, Splenda, if possible. Almost. Okay, thank you. Yes. Bonus. Me. That's the third game. I didn't catch the other two. Look at the progressives, grand, major, minor, and mini. Right. Dun dun. Dun dun dun. Do you wanna take out the rubber band? So I can plug it. That's the closest. Come on. Game 4. Come on. Whoa, 2 more. Not enough. Oh, come on now. Oh, what a waste. All right. No complaints. Let's go. Get some more later. Thank you. $50 in. We 50 cents bet. That's our third spin. Landed a bonus on Phoenix Links. Kung Fu. Is it Confucius Says? I'll get it right next time. Let's go. Dun, dun. Come on. Oh, we'll trigger. We'll take anything. We're not choosy. Dun, 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 dun. We're here at Resorts World in Las Vegas. Our first time to play here. Let's go. Whoa, 2 more. Dang, that was big, huh? Oh, yes. Yeah. Da-da-da-da-da. When you catch, you don't touch the screen. You just go like this. Oh, can you go like this? Yeah, it's early. Can you go like this? No. May sabat. Oh. be Sabbath. The Sabbath like this. Ay, I'm done with the for the day. Only one more. Because we came here around 5:30ish. Taran. Okay, little something. Two more. Whoa. One more. Whoa. We needed 6 of those. Alright, let's go. Let's see if we get more.